Hey there, it's Justin from the Book Like a Boss team, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create events. If you're on our cappuccino or latte plans or any other plan that includes group bookings, you'll see that you have the ability to create events as a new booking type. So just click on that, then click on Add New Event. I'm going to walk you through creating a one-day, one-time event. Let's name it Test Webinar. You can add a description here as usual, then the duration of your event, the date and the time, then click Save. And boom, your webinar event is now set up. Now here we can edit or decide where the event is going to take place. Just click on Edit, then for this example, we're picking a static link, then we'll add our Zoom link here and then click Save again. Or put in the link to whichever webinar platform you're hosting. You should have a link from that platform that you can put in here. Now, if you scroll down here, you see that you have an option to add a price for this event, but we'll leave it as 0 since this will be a free webinar. And as always, you can customize this event as much as you'd like, just like any other appointment, product, or service. I hope that helps.